My beloved child, do not scroll past this moment. Do not treat this as just another video or another voice in the noise. I am speaking to you now, and this is not an accident. This is not random. This is not coincidence. I am interrupting your thoughts because I am rebuilding your confidence and your future. Yes, you heard me correctly. The very confidence that was shaken, the very future you quietly feared was slipping away. I am rebuilding it. Right now, you may feel unsure of yourself. You may feel smaller than you used to be. You may wonder how you will ever stand strong again after what has happened. But I tell you, something sacred is happening beneath the surface. While you thought things were falling apart, I was putting new foundations in place. While you questioned your worth, I was restoring your identity. And while you feared your future was fading, I was designing it with greater strength than before. Stay with me until the end, my child. Do not skip ahead. There is something I will reveal to you that will steady your heart and quiet your fears. What you thought was permanently damaged is not destroyed. It is under construction by my hands. If your spirit feels this stirring, I want you to act in agreement. Like this message as a declaration that you receive what I am rebuilding. Share it with someone who feels defeated, because I am rebuilding them too. Write in the comments, I receive my rebuilding, and let your words become a seed of faith. And remain connected here. Subscribe and stay close to these reminders of my voice, because I am not finished speaking life over you. My beloved child, your confidence hath been under attack, but it has not been erased. Your future has felt uncertain, but it has not been cancelled. I am working even now. I am restoring courage where fear tried to settle. I am breathing vision where doubt tried to cloud your sight. Listen carefully. This is the season where what was shaken will become stronger than before. I am not just repairing you. I am rebuilding you with intention, with wisdom, and with power. And what I build, no one can tear down. My beloved child, I have seen the quiet battles you have been fighting. I have watched the way you question yourself when no one else is listening. I know how your confidence did not disappear all at once, but slowly, through disappointment, through rejection, through moments that made you doubt your own ability. You smile in front of others, yet inside you wonder if you are still capable, still strong, still enough. You have compared yourself to people who seem to be moving faster. You have measured your progress against timelines that were never meant for you. And in the silence of your thoughts, you have asked, did I miss my chance? Did I fall too far behind? My child, I heard those questions even when you did not speak them out loud. You feel the weight of trying again. You feel the exhaustion of starting over. There is a part of you that wants to believe in your future, but another part that whispers, what if I fail again? I know how that whisper lingers. I know how it steals your boldness before you even take a step. You have been strong for so long. Strong for your family. Strong for your friends. Strong in situations that drained you. But beneath that strength, there has been a wound. Not weakness, just a wound. And you have been healing in ways you did not even recognize. I saw the tears you wiped away quickly. I saw the nights when you lay awake replaying what went wrong. I saw the moments when you blamed yourself for things that were never fully in your control. You thought I was distant in those moments, but I was closer than ever. I was holding you together when you felt like you were unraveling. My beloved child, your struggle has not disqualified you. Your doubts have not disgusted me. Your fear has not pushed me away. I am not disappointed in you. I am compassionate toward you. I understand the weight you have been carrying, and I am not asking you to pretend it does not hurt. You feel uncertain because something you trusted did not hold. You feel shaken because something you built did not last. But being shaken does not mean you are broken beyond repair. It means you are human. It means you dared to try, and I honor that courage. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are not faithless for feeling afraid. You are not forgotten because you are waiting. I see you fully, your effort, your resilience, your silent prayers. And I am speaking into that tender place within you now, a part that wonders if confidence can ever return. It will, and I am the one restoring it. My beloved child, now listen closely, because I am about to shift the way you see yourself. The loss you experienced did not strip you of your identity. The failure you remember does not define your value. You have been measuring your confidence by outcomes, but your confidence was never meant to be rooted in results. It was always meant to be rooted in who you are in me. You believed that when something did not work out, it meant you were not capable. When a door closed, you assumed you were not worthy. When progress slowed, you concluded you were falling behind. But I tell you gently and firmly, that is not the truth. Confidence built only on success will always crumble under pressure. But confidence built on identity cannot be destroyed by circumstance. You are not your last mistake. You are not your missed opportunity. You are not the version of yourself that stumbled. You are my child, and that identity has never been shaken. What you called failure, I allowed as refinement. What you called delay, I used as preparation. There were lessons you needed that success alone could not teach you. There was strength I was forming in you that comfort could not produce. You thought you were starting over, but in reality, you are starting wiser. You have also misunderstood the silence. When things slowed down and answers did not come quickly, you assumed I had stepped back. But silence is not absence. Silence is often construction. When a building is being rebuilt, there are seasons when the work is hidden behind walls and scaffolding. That does not mean nothing is happening. It means the foundation is being strengthened. My beloved child, stop comparing your timeline to others. I did not create you to move at their pace. I designed your path with precision. Every pause, every turn, every unexpected redirection has meaning. You see fragments. I see the whole picture. You see a chapter. I see the entire story. The fear that tells you you cannot risk trying again is not wisdom. It is protection born from pain. And while I honor the part of you that wants to guard your heart, I will not allow fear to lead your future. I am your protector. You do not need fear to do that job. Let this truth settle in you. What feels broken is under construction. What feels uncertain is being aligned. What feels like an ending is being reshaped into a beginning that fits you better than the last one ever could. Lift your eyes, my child. You are not disqualified. You are being rebuilt with deeper roots, clearer vision, and stronger courage. And this time, your confidence will not depend on applause or outcomes. It will stand because it is anchored in me. My beloved child, now feel my strength wrapping around you. The same heart that felt fragile will become steady again. The same mind that questioned itself will begin to think with clarity and boldness. I am not only correcting your vision, I am restoring your courage. You thought the shaking meant you were losing ground. In truth, the shaking was loosening what could not support the future I have for you. I will not build your tomorrow on a weak foundation. I am too faithful for that. So I allowed certain things to fall, not to harm you, but to protect you from building your life on something that could not hold the weight of your calling. You are not behind. You are being positioned. Even now, I am aligning opportunities you cannot yet see. I am arranging conversations, connections, and doors that will open at the right time. What feels delayed is not denied. It is being timed with care. I do not rush what is sacred, and your future is sacred to me. The confidence I am rebuilding in you will not be loud and fragile. It will be quiet and unshakable. It will not depend on constant validation. It will not collapse when someone doubts you. It will rise from a deeper place, a place of knowing that you are chosen, guided, and sustained by my hand. You will try again, and this time, you will not move from desperation, but from wisdom. You will speak again, and this time, your voice will not tremble with fear, but carry the calm of someone who knows they are supported. You will step forward again, and this time, your steps will be steady, because you understand that even if you stumble, I am holding you. I am redeeming what you think was lost time. Nothing you walked through was wasted. The lessons, the tears, the waiting, they are becoming strength within you. Strength that cannot be taught in comfort. Strength that cannot be purchased with ease. Strength that will carry you further than you have ever gone before. Do not underestimate what I am forming in you. There is resilience rising where insecurity once lived. There is clarity growing where confusion once clouded your thoughts. There is hope returning where disappointment tried to settle permanently. You are still chosen. You are still called. You are still capable. And hear me clearly, your future is intact. It has not been canceled by your mistakes. It has not been stolen by your delays. It has not been destroyed by your fears. I am covering it. I am guiding it. I am preparing you for it. Stand taller in your spirit now, my beloved child. The rebuilding is not fragile. It is powerful. And what I am strengthening within you will carry you into a future that is secure, purposeful, and filled with my steady presence. My beloved child, now is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel completely ready. Now, I am rebuilding your confidence and your future, but you must choose to walk with me in this rebuilding. Release the shame you have been carrying. Lay down the fear of trying again. Surrender the belief that your best days are behind you. They are not. Take a breath with me. Feel my peace settle over your thoughts. You do not have to strive to prove yourself anymore. You do not have to chase validation. You do not have to punish yourself for what did not work. I have already made provision for your growth. I have already prepared the road ahead. Trust me enough to step forward again. Trust me enough to believe that you are capable. Trust me enough to see yourself the way I see you, resilient, chosen, and still full of purpose. The rebuilding has begun, and I do not abandon what I start. What I restore becomes stronger than before. So walk in peace. Speak with renewed boldness. Dream again without apology. When doubt whispers, answer it with truth. When fear tries to return, remind it that I am your foundation. You are not walking alone into your future. I am guiding every step, guarding every door, and strengthening every weakness. Let calm fill you now. Your confidence is rising. Your future is secure, and I am holding you steady as you move forward. My beloved child, as I rebuild your confidence and your future, I am also calling others who feel broken to hear this same restoring voice. When you choose to give, you are not supporting a channel. You are helping my light reach hearts that are still sitting in darkness. Every seed you sow becomes a harvest of hope in someone else's life. Just as I have poured strength into you, your generosity becomes living water to another weary soul. Remember what I have spoken. Give, and it shall be given unto you. This is not distant scripture. It is my promise breathing over you now. When you release what is in your hand, I release what is in mine. If this message has rebuilt something inside you, this is your moment to act. This is your opportunity to say, Father, use me to rebuild others too. Your super thanks and your PayPal donation are seeds planted into fertile ground, and the links are waiting for you in the description and in the QR code on this video. Do not see this as a small act. See it as fuel for the fire of restoration. See it as oil that keeps the lamp burning for those searching for hope at midnight. What you give becomes a river that carries my word further than you can imagine. And I bless every hand that gives. I multiply every seed sown in faith. I open doors of provision, peace, and unexpected favor over those who respond in obedience. Step into this moment boldly. Sow your seed. Release your offering. Be part of the rebuilding.